In this video, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-multiply ng polynomials using special products. First example, suppose we have x plus 4 and then times x minus 4. I-multiply natin to without using FOIL method. So, gagamit tayo ng special products. Pattern ang gagamitin natin. And in this case, gagamitin natin si difference of two squares kasi nasa form to ng a plus b times a minus b. And kapag meron kang ganitong form, difference of two squares yan. A squared minus b squared. Hindi mo na kailangan i-apply yung FOIL method. Okay? Square mo lang yung a minus square mo lang yung b. That's it. And in this case, satisfied naman siya. Yung a natin dito is x. Yan. Tapos yung b natin is 4. Ito. Yan. Sundan lang natin yung pattern. A squared, ang a nga natin is x. So, x squared and then minus b squared. b is 4. So, 4 squared. Tapos, simplify na lang natin. X squared minus 4 times 4 is 16. Ito na agad yung expanded form. Mas mabilis siya kumpara sa FOIL method. Next, say we have x plus 5 times x minus 5. So, ito ay nasa difference of two squares pattern ulit. A plus b times a minus b. Ang expanded form is a squared minus b squared. Yung a natin is x, tapos yung b natin is 5. So, follow the pattern. The expanded form is a squared, a is x, x squared, minus b squared. b is 5, 5 squared. Simplify, x squared minus 5 squared or 5 times 5 is 25. Next, let us multiply y plus 3 times y plus 3. In this instance, hindi natin pwedeng i-apply si difference of two squares kasi parehas na plus yan. So, iba na yan. And ito, we can rewrite this as y plus 3 squared. Hindi ba? Y plus 3 multiplied to itself. And ito na ngayon ay perfect square trinomial. Sa perfect square trinomial naman, ang pattern is like this. Kung meron kang a plus b squared, ang expanded form niyan is a squared, square mo yung unang term. Tapos kung ano man to, since plus yan, edi plus. Kung minus, minus. And then, 2 times a times b. 2ab. And then plus b squared. Susundan lang din natin yung pattern na yan. Sa case na to, ang a natin is y, ang b natin is 3. So, a squared, a is y squared, plus 2ab. Let's multiply. 2 times y is 2y, times 3, 6y. Plus b squared, b is 3. 3 squared is 9. Next, let's say x plus 5 times x plus 5. So, ito ay perfect square trinomial din or square of a binomial. X plus 5 squared. And i-apply natin yung perfect square trinomial. Ang a natin is x, tapos yung b is 5. Susundan natin yan. Therefore, we have a squared, a is x, so x squared plus 2ab, multiply natin. 2 times x is 2x, times 5, 10x. And then plus b squared, b is 5, and 5 squared is 25, 5 times 5. Next, let us multiply 3x plus 4 and then times 3x minus 4. Anong special product ang gagamitin natin? The answer is difference of two squares kasi ito ay a plus b times a minus b. A is 3x, b is 4. And the expanded form is a squared minus b squared. Sundan lang natin yung pattern. A is 3x, 3x and then squared. Minus b squared, b is 4. Tapos simplify natin. 3x squared right here. 3 squared is 9. And then x squared is x squared. Minus 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. So, ito yung expanded form or yung product. How about this one? Multiply natin 8x minus 3 times 8x minus 3. So, virtually the same sila, which means meron tayong square of a binomial or perfect square trinomial. So, sulat natin 8x minus 3 squared. Kopyahin ko lang dito sa baba. 8x minus 3 squared. So, apply natin yung perfect square trinomial. This is in the form of a minus b squared. The expanded form is, square natin yung first term, a squared, and then minus 2 times a times b. Tapos, plus b squared. Yung a natin is 8x, yan. Tapos yung b is 3. Sundan lang natin yung pattern na to. A is 8x, so 8x squared minus 2 times a is 8x, times b is 3, plus b squared. B is 3, so 3 squared. So, simplify natin dito. 8x squared. 8 squared is 64. 8 times 8. And x squared is x squared. Minus 2 times 8x is 16x. And 16x times 3 is 48x. And then 3 squared is 9. Next, let us evaluate x, y plus 5 and then raised to the power of 3. This time, meron tayong cube of a binomial. And the cube of a binomial, pattern din yon. Okay, susulat ko yung formula ng cube of a binomial. Kung meron kang a plus b cube, ayan nga, cube of a binomial, ang expanded form niyan is a cube, cube mo yung first term, tapos plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared and then plus b cube. So, medyo mahaba lang. Ngayon, sundan natin. A cube. Ang a natin is xy. xy cube plus 3a squared. A is xy. So, xy squared times b. b is 5. Plus 3 times ab squared. A is xy. B is 5. 5 squared. And then plus b cube. So, 5 cube. Simplify natin dito. Xy raised to the third power is x cube, y cube. And then plus 3xy squared. Itong xy raised to the power of 2, square nyo lang yung parehas na letter. So, 3x squared, y squared. Tapos may times 5 pa pala dito. So, 5 times 3 is 15. Ulitin ko. So, 15x squared, y squared. Ito naman, 5 squared is 25. 5 times 5. And 25 times 3 is 75. And then 75 xy. And lastly, 5 cube. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Next, let's evaluate 2x minus y cube. Again, this is a cube of a binomial. So, sundan na lang natin to. Okay? Ang a natin is yung 2x. Tapos yung b natin is y. So, sundan natin yung formula. A cube, a is 2x. 2x cube. Plus, ito naman, 3a squared b. 3a squared, a is 2x. Times b, b is y. Plus 3ab squared. 3 times a and times b squared. Ang b natin is y. Y squared. Plus b cube. So, y cube. Simplify na lang natin. 2x cube is 8x cube. Plus 3. Okay, ito munang naka-square. 2x squared is 4x squared. And 4x squared times 3, 12x squared. Times y, 12x squared y. Ito naman, y squared, tapos 3 times 2x is 6x. So, 6x y squared. And then, y cube.